Let's go.
Well, this is it, my friends. This is it. This is the finale of SkullGirls' second Encore. And yeah, this is it. I just want to thank you guys so much for joining me on this wonderful journey. We're finally here. I just want to thank you guys for all the support, for you guys patiently waiting for my last 3 episodes that I've done of this. But yes, I've finally done it. This is finally it. The last of the story modes of RoboFortune, aka Iron Kitty, Beep Boop Meow. And this story mode's actually, well, here's the thing. Yeah, long story short, I had this recorded like way before, but unfortunately though, my microphone settings got screwed up. So unfortunately, I'm doing a second recording of this with my microphone this time intact. So don't worry, the same thing will not happen again. But I guess to show you that yes, it is complete already, so I won't spoil you on what exactly happens. You'll just have to wait and see for yourself. So without further ado, let's just get this started. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and spread the word with it to a viewer. It really helps a lot. So anyways, let's get started with the finale story of second Encore. Story mode with voice acting. Here we go.
RoboFortune!
Beep boop meow.
The Skull Heart is connected to a large underground structure, going deeper behind enemy lines. Wait for further report.
If this is true, it may be key in finally ending our long struggle. But how do I know I can still trust you, Valentine?
Lab 8 is under attack. Valentine has led the Skull Girl right to us. Send help immediate!
Well, that settles that. What else does she expect us to believe?
In the meantime, encountered the feral Ms. Fortune. Unlocking the secrets to her abilities is sure to revolutionize bioweapons.
I just like that. Can I have cheeseburger? Head comes off. It's always so cool. That's always
just
funny.
Stupid! I could make something better in every way!
That is
I'll
just so
show
funny.
her! I'll show them all!
Damn, somebody's really salty. And this is the finishing touches.
RF model R003. Activate boot up sequence.
I just like the objectives. Eliminate the Skullgirl. Capture the Skullgirl. Upper hand all trace lab 0. And appreciate other subjects seeking the Skull Heart. 5. This is perfect. Master comedic timing. Brilliant. I just love that last line. It's hilarious.
Identify yourself.
I am more than a robot. Except, not really. Playing off air.
Keyboard cat parody.
No, none of that. Just state your name and objective.
Dramatic pause. I am RoboFortune, created to destroy the Skull Girl, as well as all who get in Lab Zero's way. Can I, having been acquired a cheeseburger?
Memes.
I suppose this will have to suffice.
Dank memes, baby.
Now, get out there and execute your mission. I'm going back to the drawing board to think about where I went wrong.
Beep boop. Plot shields operating at maximum. I will not fail, barring control unit apathy.
Crash and burn. If you see Painwheel, tell her I'm sick of her ignoring my messages.
And she's rising up. Nope. Well, that's a start. Aww, we're RoboFortune.
If these puns don't kill
What
you,
about that?
I will.
The puns don't kill you.
Quiet on the set.
Already we're facing John Cena, I mean Beowulf, I mean Hulkster, I mean Macho Man, I don't know. But anyways, already you're gonna start off with that Beowulf? Alright. I mind playing that bullshit today. I already did my other recording of that. How are you this cheap when you first started? Oh, Big Band, well, he's not as cheap as Big Band. Big Band will be like the more cheapest one. This Beowulf more. Yeah, I really need to block this move. Oh, wow. Damn. Fuck you.
Everything I say is a catchphrase.
I love you, Beowulf, but come on.
Is this how the story ends?
Do you believe in fuzzy set theory?
And fuzzy what theory?
Everybody warmed up?
Like game theory?
Action!
No, okay.
The Dark Star Press.
Alright, wow. Wow, are you fucking serious? Are you fucking serious? How cheap are you, man? Oh my god. So annoying. Fuck your can. Alright, after this I'm just gonna have to like that. Oh my god.
The line for autographs starts here.
You can't give up now.
Alright, I'm back. Ah, there goes my mechanic. Fuck you! Beowulf! Bam. Laser in the fucking crotch. What you get? Not as salty as Big Band though. Big Band is more is worse. Big Band is 4 times worse. So anyways,
If these bugs don't kill you, I will.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime!
Ah. Oh, I'm broken? Says you. Really? We're gonna go with that? We're gonna go with that? Okay. Oh my god. Jeez.
Sweet Willie.
Sirocco, this looks good on me.
Fuck. God damn it.
You've got a lot to learn.
Fuck you.
Warning,
Piece
a
of
new
shit.
villain is approaching early.
Time to put on a show. Action!
There you go. Bam! Lasers in your fucking face, bitch. There's that. Motherfucking cunt. There you go. Oh my god. Fuck you. What? Are you serious? How did that block? How did that defend? Are you kidding me with that shit? Oh, come on. I was so fucking good with this shit. I was so fucking good with this. I was on, like, cloud 9 with this shit. Now I'm getting my ass whooped. Oh my god! Fuck you. Get laser, bitch. Just got pranked, bro. Fuck you. Hate that shit. God, I hate being salty, but what is it with these computer players, man? Holy titties, they've gotten much more stronger the last time I went. They were not this fucking strong. I whooped their ass the first time.
Let's do this in one take. Action!
Okay, alright. Oh, you want to play that game too, person? Alright, I'm not in the mood. Also, when it comes to her puns, it's actually funny. There's like a lot of robot puns, like, what am I fighting for? And kiss my shiny metal tail. Like, that's actually funny. And wow. Wow, bro. Wow, bro. How is Parasol this easy when I have to deal with motherfucking Elijah and motherfucking Beowulf?
Do not send a cyborg to do a robot's job.
Do not send Cyborg to do a robot's job. Hilarious. Oh, really now? Oh, right.
Antivirus software fully updated.
Then, only
Everybody,
then,
mind your marks.
we have
Action!
the cutscene after this. There will be a cutscene after this, so don't worry about that. It's not gonna be like Fugula's story. Fugula's story was like ridiculous with the cutscenes. How like basically, yes, I did it! Catastrophe Cannon. That's the other cannon move that you can also do as well. Meow, 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 meow. I like the man that's got a chainsaw. Oh, I didn't have enough power. I thought she said fuck you. Shit, I didn't block it.
Ready for your shots?
Alright, there you go. Yeah, you did. Fuck you. I thought she said like, bitch, I wasn't even trying. That's what she said.
Why are you attacking me? We're on the same side.
Beep boop meow. I am sorry, but my creator really wanted to prove that he could do better than, quote,
That stupid cat and those dumb drawings.
end quote.
Of all the petty, ridiculous...
He has also labeled you a traitor.
What? This is what I get for trying to save Christmas?
I'm gonna save Christmas.
Well, label me gone because I quit. I hope Brain Drain's paranoia comes back to bite him.
Beep boop. Probability of future ironic twist rising. I am beginning to question my creator and his methods.
You could always turn to religion for answers at the Grand Cathedral. I recommend taking the train and enjoying the city's sights while you soul search.
That sounds uncannily appropriate.
Oh my god.
Proceeding with conveniently placed advice. Do humans have a shedding problem?
No, humans do.
Everybody
Well,
warmed up?
it depends. Not shedding,
What's wrong?
though. It's more like peeling. You get like sunburn and shit. Okay, she is kind of like the old Julia in a way. Okay, you. Fuck you. Alright, well. Sorry for me being so pissed, but it's so annoying sometimes when I have to repeat stuff, but regardless of the story is short anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Sorry to spoil it, but you don't fight every single person here, so don't worry about that. And at least it has a much better story than, again, way better than Encore at least. At least Philia isn't like overpowered to hell. It doesn't block all the time, being sheep. Before. So anyways. Fuck. Aw, GG, GG, that was good. Control Z. Sounds like a computer problem. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. Now she's playing the old fucking Philia again. That Philia. God damn.
Try again, kid.
Whatever. Oh, let's try
Error
again.
cannot engage. Deleting first law.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime.
Critical state. Canonical form.
Yep, that's what you get. That's what you get, Philia, for all the bullshit you put me through during the fucking shit. You deserve every single one of us.
Thought you were done for.
No. Should've thought twice. We paid the price. Bitch. Alright, well. Anyways. If you actually switch your costumes too when you're in the multiplayer, you can switch it to stuff like Iron Man. You get a lot of robot stuff you can get. It's really cool. Rainbow Dash from Repeat. I forget. Oh, Metroid too. I mean Samus. Yeah, Samus from Metroid. Oh shit, they're staring at each other's eyes.
Build up.
Look, we're definitely getting to the ending of this already. Yeah, again, the story is not really all that long compared to whatchamacallit. Compared to the other ones, this one is not as long. Especially like, for the Beowulf last one. Oh my god, his was actually pretty long.
Controls
Here, body. Okay, this one is the more superior product. Me or... Yeah. Thought so.
What am I fighting for?
There we go. What am I fighting for? From Mega Man, what was it? X4, I think it was, with the horrible voice acting for PS1. Yeah, it was
Initiating unprovoked dialogue with designated adversary.
This is
Most
good.
flesh bags can choose their own purpose while I am trapped within my program parameters. I'm not even sure if my creator was thinking straight. Can the Skull Heart grant my desire to shed these flawed constraints?
No, he wasn't thinking straight.
I accepted the Skull Heart in hopes of challenging a world run through with corruption, but it is part of an even greater monster that binds me to its will. The only purpose of this so-called artifact is to spread death. Even if it proved compatible with that mechanical body, it would sooner corrupt your wish than fulfill it.
What am I fighting for? Also,
There we
did
go.
you just give away a major plot point?
The Big Man reference.
Don't worry, nobody will think any of this nonsense is canon.
Wow, way to break the fourth wall much there, Marie.
Let us act out our existential angst as this genre demands, in an ostentatious final boss battle.
Curse this beautifully tragic destiny, beep boop meow. My machine heart is filled with sorrow and hype.
Sorrow and hype. That sounds like me on a daily basis with Toriko. Alright now. Alright, let's work this bitch. This is the finale.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Final
it's
time to get to do
showtime.
this. I'm pretty know how to do this anyway by now. Is that coming? See, that was quick. Oh shit. Shit! We have to block. Most important rule. I've done this so many times. Oh my god. Jesus. Let me concentrate. Oh, fuck me, I knew that was gonna happen.
See how weak you are. You dare challenge me. See how weak you are. Go, Slade.
There we go. Shit.
You dare challenge me. Know your place.
There we go. I think we know one way to settle things off. If I can do it. Come on. Come on. There we go. Much better. Damn.
Apocalypse cancelled. Proceeding with robot apocalypse.
Right through the vagina. Holy shit. Her cooch must be blasted. and
No
eaten by
matter
that.
what wish is made,
Holy
the
shit.
tragedy of the Skull Heart will be repeated. Destroying the Skull Heart only resets the 7-year cycle. Luckily, my creator's plans have taken this into account.
Oh?
B.
Oh, sorry. Whoops, I skipped
Retrieving
that.
objective and returning to lab.
Shit.
This
Well,
should be interesting.
she was just really saying that, like, you know, is this really gonna work? Like, do you really think this was worth it? You know, shit like that.
Creator, I have apprehended the power source.
You succeeded? I mean, of course you did. I built you after all. Never sent an organic to do a machine's job.
Beep boop, your brain is organic and has the most important job of...
Moving on. At last, we can construct the next generation of machine. A new form that will surpass our own.
Oh, this is epic. Apocalyptic wasteland.
Brain Drain's gruesome experiments, powered by the Skull Heart itself, gave rise to a new threat. Without a Skull Girl to hunt, RoboFortune and her successors concluded human fallibility was the next threat that had to be heard. Nobody was safe.
Get it. But this is epic.
Annie, where are you going?
Umbrella, we have to go now! Annie, we can't fight this many.
Doc's got a point there.
Oh god, Adam!
Then let's do our darn best to slow them down!
Oh shit, here we go.
Increase in sodium chloride detected. Relieving blood pressure via cutting lasers.
Oh.
It is for your own good. Beep boop meow.
Oh crap. Yo. I was just trying to figure out what is going on here. Okay, so skipping that.
Did they just do our job for us?
Yes. Yes, they did.
Are we really going back to this again?
High five!
This mindfuck of it was all just a video game this entire time. Wow. So yeah, that is it. I would like to thank every single one of you guys for joining me on this epic journey of SkullGirls 2nd Encore. It was a fun ride. Sure, I did get pretty salty along the way. Sure, you know, there was, you know, a lot of rage quit moments. But I pulled through and I did it all for you guys. And my future Let's Plays that are coming up, I have a brand new game that I'm actually Let's Playing that I got during the Steam Summer Sale, because Steam Summer Sale was freaking legit, man. Like, I'm not even joking. Holy shit. And the Steam Summer Sale, I have gotten Danganronpa, and I also got Hyper that's not screaming there for a second. Hyper Devotion Noir, and that game, actually, I'm not going to be able to do, due to the fact that that's a strategy RPG, and I'd rather just, like, play the game, like, myself, because, you know, I'm not really the best when it comes to beating strategy RPGs, like, really quickly, and I really love the Hyper Dimension series. It's just the problem is, though, I'd rather just, like, you know, and by the way, I'm not going to continue the Hyper Dimension one because, well, I played through the rest of that. It got a little bit tedious after a while, and I'll just stick to the original Hyper Dimension games. I love those games, but the U one, which was the, you know, the hack and slash one, meh, it got a bit too tedious after a while, so I decided just to move on to Danganronpa, which is going to be exciting. Definitely cannot wait. I got that during the summer sale as well. I also got the HD remake of Tales of Vesperia as well, so look forward to that. Maybe one of these days I might give it a shot. Maybe, that's maybe. But until then, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed all these videos. Don't forget to share with everybody else, rate, comment, and subscribe as always. Crunch that like button, it really helps spread the word of the channel. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. So peace, soul, love, chicken grease, and the sky's the limit. And remember, gamer fans, no game is ever impossible. So until then, don't forget to check out my other Let's Plays as well. The Bayonetta stuff. Oh yes, Bayonetta 2, right, one more thing. Bayonetta 2, the rest of that should be added quite soon as well. I'll probably be able to do that, so yeah. Anyways, thank you again so much for joining me. And yeah, take care everybody. Bye-bye.